Would you like to make money while you sleep? AI is changing the game for passive income, and today I'll show you exactly how you can use it to generate income streams that run on autopilot. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video you'll know more than 6 powerful ways to use AI to work smarter and not harder. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to automate content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini or Jasper can help you to generate really good blog posts, ebooks or video scripts in just minutes. You can use these tools to create high quality content for platforms like Medium or even your own blog. You can then monetize through ads, affiliate links or premium subscriptions. Let me give you an example. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you could use AI to generate a series of blog posts about home workouts. Once the content is live, you can then add affiliate links to fitness gear or workout apps. With time, this content can generate a steady income. And the best part, AI makes the process much more scalable. Instead of spending hours on a single article, you can create multiple pieces of content in a fraction of the time, leaving you free to focus on strategy and monetization. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to start an AI-powered dropshipping business. AI tools like Oberlo and Spocket help automate product research and supplier selection. You can combine them with ChatGPT or Gemini to write compelling product descriptions for your online store. Platforms like Shopify integrate easily with these tools to make store management seamless for you. For instance, if you're selling pet products, AI can analyze market trends and suggest in-demand items like pet water fountains or chew toys. It can even help craft engaging ad copy for Facebook and Instagram. The key to success in dropshipping is efficiency. AI reduces manual tasks, letting you focus on testing products and scaling what works. With this system, your store can operate nearly on autopilot, generating passive income even while you're asleep. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to create and sell online courses. AI can help you to design, structure and create content for online courses in record time. You can use platforms like Gemini and ChatGPT to brainstorm course outlines, draft lessons and create good quizzes. Tools like Canva and Synthesia can help design course materials and even generate AI avatars to present your content. Let's say that you're skilled in graphic design. You could create an online course on Canva basics for beginners. AI can help you to generate examples, tutorials and even marketing emails to promote your online course. You can then host it on a platform like Udemy or Teachable for a steady passive income stream. Once the course is live, you can use AI to automate email sequences to upsell advanced modules or additional resources, ensuring your students stay engaged while boosting your revenue. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to write and publish AI-generated ebooks. With tools like ChatGPT and Pseudo-Write, writing a book has never been easier. You can generate entire chapters quickly, covering topics from personal finance to storytelling. You can then self-publish these books on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. For example, if you're knowledgeable about freelancing, you could write an ebook on the 10 strategies to build a successful freelancing career. You can use AI to craft each chapter and optimize it with keywords for better discoverability on Amazon. Now, once the book is published, you can promote your ebook through email marketing and social media such as Instagram and TikTok for more reach. Even years later, these ebooks can continue to bring in royalties with little to no additional effort on your part. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to build and monetize AI-powered tools. If you have a bit of technical knowledge, you can use platforms like OpenAI or no-code tools like Bubble to build simple AI tools. Think chatbots for customer service or calculators for specific niches like budgeting or fitness. For example, creating a budgeting app that helps users track spending and save money using AI-generated insights, or you could offer a free version and a premium upgrade for advanced features. You can simply host your tool on a website or an app store and monetize it through subscriptions or ads. Even without programming experience, no-code platforms allow you to turn your ideas into income-generating tools. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to offer AI services on freelance platforms. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are packed with opportunities for AI creators. You can use tools like DALL-E to create custom designs or ChatGPT to craft copy, emails, or SEO optimized blog posts for clients. For example, you could offer a gig creating AI generated marketing materials for small businesses. You could charge $50 per project, and with just a few clients, you could turn this into a steady passive income stream. The beauty of freelancing with AI tools is scalability. The tools speed up your workflow, letting you take on more clients without compromising the quality, which directly increases your earnings. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to create subscription-based AI content services. You can use AI to deliver ongoing value through subscription-based models. You can offer clients regular newsletters, curated research, or content tailored to their needs. Tools like ChatGPT or Market Muse can help you to generate this content effortlessly. For instance, you could start a niche newsletter about investing where subscribers pay $10 per month for weekly stock market insights. AI can handle the analysis and the writing, letting you focus on growing your audience. Over time, your subscriber base grows, creating a compounding source of passive income. All it takes is consistent delivery and marketing to keep people signed up. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to generate and sell AI artwork. Platforms like DALL-E or Midjourney allow you to create stunning AI-generated art. You can sell these digital creations on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. You can also license your art to businesses or individuals. For example, you could create a series of AI-generated landscape prints and sell them as downloadable wall art on Etsy. Customers print and frame them themselves, cutting down your workload. This approach works because it requires minimal ongoing effort. Once the designs are uploaded, they can sell repeatedly with little intervention, turning into a true passive income stream. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to launch a YouTube channel with AI assistance. AI tools can help script, edit, and even generate video ideas for your YouTube channel. You can use them to create niche content such as tutorials, reviews, or educational series. You can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. For instance, you could start a tech review channel. You can use AI to script engaging product breakdowns and even generate subtitles. You can pair this with affiliate links to the products you review for an additional revenue stream. The key is consistency. AI can help you to produce more content in less time, growing your channel and maximizing income potential faster than traditional methods. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to create AI-generated audiobooks and podcasts. AI tools like Mirth or Descript allow you to create professional quality voiceovers. Use these tools to turn eBooks, blogs, or original scripts into audiobooks or podcasts. You can monetize through platforms like Audible, Spotify, or Patreon. For example, you can transform a series of AI-generated motivational articles into an audiobook about personal growth. You can use AI voices to narrate, upload to Audible, and earn royalties each time it sells. With podcasts, you can generate consistent content in your niche like business tips or productivity hacks and attract sponsors or subscriptions. AI handles the repetitive tasks like editing, letting you focus on building your audience. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to build a print-on-demand business. AI can help you create unique designs and slogans for t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, and much more. You can use platforms like DALL-E or Canva for design, then upload them to print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring. For instance, you could create a series of motivational AI generated quotes with visually appealing backgrounds. You can offer them as products on Etsy or your own web store. The print-on-demand service handles the printing and the shipping, so you can focus only on the marketing. The beauty of this model is its scalability. Once you upload a design, it can sell over and over without requiring your ongoing attention, making it a perfect passive income stream. Let me now give you tip number 12, which is to offer AI consulting services. As businesses increasingly adapt AI, many are looking for guidance on how to use these tools effectively. If you're familiar with AI applications, offer consulting services to help companies streamline workflows or optimize their operations. For example, a small e-commerce web store might need help integrating AI chatbots or automating inventory management. You can guide them on using tools like ChatGPT and Gemini for customer support or Looker for data analysis. You could charge a one-time fee or set up a retainer for ongoing support. Consulting lets you earn while empowering other businesses to thrive with AI. As demand grows, you can automate parts of your service delivery using AI itself, making it a semi-passive income over time. So there you have it, 12 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.